In this video, I'll be showing you how to draw on a Word document. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now you can literally make art in your Word document if you ever wanted to. You can add a signature or anything like that very easily, and you can draw it right within Word without using anything third party. And you can do it on anything you're using Word on. So what you want to do is go over to the top left where it says insert once you're on your project, and then go over to shapes. Now, once you're in shapes, you want to go over to lines, but you want to click the rightmost line, which is going to be this little scribble right here. It's like this little squiggly line. Go ahead and click on it. And now it's going to allow me to, as you can see, it just, started like ink or everything. You can't see it too much because of the outline on it, but I can just go ahead and change the color if I want to. But what I'll even just go ahead and do is if you just hold it down. So if I go back to shapes, go to the squiggly, now I can basically just draw whatever I want, like so. And then you can, just change the color of it or do whatever you want and put it wherever you want as well. But if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.